Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a single crochet phone case. My single crochet framework will be around circle. Now the diameter of the circle will depend on the width of your phone. So for doing a single crochet, we are going to insert the hook in the single crochet stitch of the previous round and then pull the yarn through the stitch, then yarn over and pull it through the two loops. Now for the next single crochet, we will insert the hook in the next single crochet stitch of the previous round. Pull the yarn through the stitch, yarn over and pull it through the two loops. We are going to do the single crochet throughout our phone case. This is very easy and anyone can do this. So insert the hook in the single crochet stitch of the previous round, pull the yarn through the stitch, yarn over and pull it through the two loops. Insert the hook in the next single crochet stitch of the previous round, pull the yarn through the stitch, yarn over and pull it through the two loops. Do this continuously. We are going to do a color change now. Take a different color yarn, make a slip knot and get it ready. Now we will complete our previous round with a slip stitch. Insert the hook in the next stitch. Now draw your red color loop to the hook. Draw your hook through the stitch and make a slip stitch through the black colored yarn. I hope you understood this. Now chain 1. And after that, do a single crochet in the same stitch. And continue doing single crochet throughout. You can do as many color changes as you want. We are going to simply sew the ends. Now for the flap, I am doing a color change. I am taking a red color yarn, making a slip knot and keeping it ready for use. I am going to make a rectangular flap. So accordingly insert your hook into your project. Insert the red colored loop into your hook, pull it through the single crochet stitch and then yarn over and pull it through the loop. Then chain 1 and do a single crochet in the same single crochet stitch of the previous round. Continue doing single crochet in that row until you reach the desired width of your flap. Okay, so turn your work for the next row, chain 1 and then into the first single crochet of the previous round, do a single crochet. Continue doing the single crochet until you reach the end. In this row, we will be making a buttonhole. So, firstly we will do 4 single crochets. Then chain 3. After that, we will insert the hook into the previous round and do the remaining 4 single crochets. At the end, insert a button and our phone case is ready. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button below. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel for many of such videos. I hope you liked it.